Hey guys, Dr. Mike Sylvester here with Sylvester Chiropractic Wellness. What we're going to go over today is 3 words, okay, that you may have heard at some other points during your care here, or maybe you've heard outside of here, but those 3 words are going to be subluxation, okay, adjustment, and chiropractic. Okay, so let's actually go over chiropractic first. What does chiropractic actually mean? Okay, chiropractic, okay, chiropractic, that word, okay, it actually means, this chiro means by hand, okay, and practic or practical means the practical use of. So it literally means, chiropractic literally translates to the practical use of the hands. It's a great word. I mean, it's a very fitting word, right? So that's what chiropractic actually means, the practical use of the hands. The next word I want to talk to you about today is the word adjustment, okay? Adjustment, okay? So we have adjustment, okay? So we adjust. We move the vertebrae, we adjust the vertebrae, right? Pretty self-explanatory. Ment, meaning mental impulse, okay? Mental impulse, neurotransmission, mental impulses, energy, okay? Energy, okay? Mind, okay? Very important, okay? When we make an adjustment, we're not just affecting the vertebrae, we're not just moving the vertebrae, we're actually affecting your brain, your spinal cord, the life force, the power, the energy in your body. Very important. So we got chiropractic, practical use of the hands. We got adjustment, okay? Meaning moving the bone, affecting a mental impulse, okay? Now essentially we have the third very important term you may have heard again, subluxation, okay? Subluxation. Let's break this word down so we understand it. Sub meaning less than or below, okay? Sub means less than or below. Less than or below, okay? Lux, what does lux mean, okay? Lux means light. Okay, lux means light. So it's less light, sublux, less light, more energy. Okay, we could say this means energy. Okay, then the final thing is ation, okay? Ation, okay? This means a state of. So essentially, we have a state of less light or energy in the body. That's what subluxation means, okay? It's a state of less light or energy in the body. Okay, so very important that we understand these terms, guys, because chiropractic is truly an amazing profession that not anyone really knows about, okay? So we got subluxation, a state of less light or energy essentially in the body, okay? And then we have adjustment, which is basically moving the vertebrae to affect the mental impulse, okay? And then essentially you have chiropractic, which is the practical use of the hands. So there you go, guys. There's 3 very important terms for you. And let me know if you have any questions. Share it with your family and friends. Have a fantastic day. Thanks.